What you are currently looking at on the screen is a typical meal routine for us as a family living on a single income. This is not your traditional way of meal plan routine. Most people will cook a dinner every single night and then leftovers sit in the fridge forever, and they either never get eaten, or maybe you eat them a little bit, you end up throwing them away. Or you may be someone who eats out all the time and you're maybe tired of that. You want to start cooking at home, but you also don't want to get burnt out from that. You don't want to be someone who is cooking dinners every single night. You get a little tired of it. And at the same time, you are saving money. Hey everybody, welcome to today's video. We're excited to talk about our weekly meal routine as a family living on a single income. What we're gonna go ahead and do now is just go day by day, kind of what we do and why this works. My wife usually does our meal planning and we'll talk about it. And sometimes she'll ask me maybe what I want. We have some things that we like to do every single week. And then there's things that, maybe only once a month or every couple months. But this is what a typical week looks like for us. Monday, we always cook on Mondays and we love tacos. And so typically we'll do some sort of Mexican type thing. And so for us, maybe we'll do chicken tacos, we'll do beef tacos on Monday, or we'll do a taco salad, or maybe we'll do a taco soup. Okay, and then what we always do, and this is the key, we make enough food so that we can have it again on Tuesday. So Monday is kind of our Mexican food type of day, and then Tuesday is where we have leftovers. And this has worked really well for us. And I'll explain after we kind of go through this. Then Wednesday comes. Wednesday is typically something like chicken and potatoes, or maybe we'll do some salmon and rice, or we'll do something like that, maybe a little more fancy, but it really is not that expensive. Potatoes aren't that expensive. Rice isn't that expensive. And then having some sort of meat with it, buying some broccoli. Broccoli's cheap. And then we have that and we make enough. So we eat it on Wednesday, a fresh dinner, and then we have it as leftovers on Thursday. Now on Friday and Saturday, we love pizza. And so typically we'll have pizza on Fridays, but depending on what we have going on in the week, sometimes we'll flip it to Saturday. But we always have pizza typically on Fridays, and we do multiple versions. Sometimes we'll do French bread pizza. Sometimes we'll do sourdough pizza. And sometimes we just do regular pizza, or maybe we'll just pick up a cheap pizza somewhere. But for the most part, we really like sourdough pizza. My wife, Riley, is an amazing cook, and she makes a really good sourdough pizza. On Saturdays, we typically like to eat out. I love eating out. One day when we have the money to do so, I would like to eat out more than once a week, maybe go for a lunch once a week as well, maybe another dinner in there. I love it. It's one of those things where, to me, it's worth the little bit of extra money. I'll pinch on everything else when it comes to budgeting, but I love to eat out. I have to. I've got to do it at least once a week. That's me. And so typically we'll eat out on Saturday, and then Sunday for us is family dinner. And we have family in town where we live, and my parents, and I have a sister and all their kids. I'm the youngest in my family, so it's my oldest sister, and my parents live here, who are empty nesters, but we always get together on Sunday, and we have our family dinner. So like I said, there's a couple main reasons here of why we love this weekly meal routine, especially if you're somebody living on one income or you're wanting to go this route. But here is why it works so well. The first and probably most important reason is, like I said, you may start to feel kind of some burnout from having to cook every single day, especially if you're trying to save money. This makes it so that you only have to cook really twice a week, and pizza on Friday or Saturday is easy. If you like pizza, pizza's easy. So you're really only cooking like 2 meals. And then also at the same time, you're saving money. You're able to save money from cooking less meals and then food going to waste. Comment down below if you're interested in maybe some of the meals we cook. We could post some of those. I'm interested to hear some easy meals you guys do throughout the week. Maybe what your weekly meal routine is, kind of what you guys do. But thanks for joining me today on the Budget Dad with Isaac. Hopefully this was helpful to you, be something new. And anyway, we'll see you next time on the Budget Dad with Isaac.